So you've had those times when you're rolling down the highway, right? And things have been hitting your mirror, all those marks that get on the backside of your mirror, the bugs, the rock nicks, everything else. And you wish you had some protection aside for some, well, maybe really good PPF on there might work, but our friends over at Hansshow actually has a solution for you. And that is the carbon fiber mirror cover. And what it's designed to do is designed to protect this cover. And we're gonna show you how to put this on properly such that it won't come off while you're driving. It looks great, just even holding it here in my hand. I gotta tell you, it really does look great. So don't forget to look in the description below to see how you can get a great discount on these mirror covers, other Tesla accessories. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you back in just a moment. Hey everybody, and welcome back. So we're gonna install the mirror cover here, but before you do, the very first thing you wanna do is clean the mirror because this thing sticks to the mirror via double-sided tape. And because of that, we gotta have a nice clean backing for it to stick to. Otherwise, if there's dirt on there, it won't adhere very well. And you don't want your mirror cover coming off while you're driving down the road. So let's go ahead and take care of that. So I have some Sprayway glass cleaner here, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray the mirror. And we're gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up. I'm gonna wipe all the bug juice off of it that it has gotten over time. Get it nice and clean. So I cleaned off the mirror, and the next step we've gotta do, well, what's included in the pack. If you guys are any fans of the channel, then you know what this is. This is what they call an adhesion promoter. And what it's designed to do is help the double-sided tape stick to the mirror. So we got to wipe it down with this before we do anything else. And like I said, if you're fans of the channel, then you know how I feel about the smell of this stuff. Usually smells like rubber cement. Not that I'm sniffing it or anything, but that's how it smells. We're going to put it mostly along the bottom here because that's where the mirror is going to stick. And I'm just using it to wipe off the rest of it. There we go. Okay, so I have that adhesion promoter on the mirror now. We've cleaned it up real nice. Now, the next thing we got to do is remove the double-sided adhesive that is on the inside of the carbon fiber mirror cover. So as soon as we get that off, then we can go ahead and put the cover on. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our mirror cover now that we got the glue removed, and we're just gonna slide it over the top. And it should just go right on. Make sure it goes all the way on. There we go. You want to press in on it to make sure that you get the double-sided tape adhering. It looks good on this side. All the edges look even. And that's it. Okay, so we got the mirror cover on the driver's side installed now. Now all we have to do is do the exact same thing to the passenger side, and that'll pretty much be it. Well, that was a really easy install, guys. So I highly recommend getting these because they're very easy to put in, and I think they look great on the vehicle. Put in the comments below what you think about these covers. And later on, we're gonna be covering more carbon fiber things that you can put on your car, because you can check out my other video where I put on the carbon fiber wing on the back of this Model Y. So you can just go ahead and look in the description below, and I'll show you where I did that. So we're gonna be adding more carbon fiber as time goes on. So if you like these, don't forget to look in the description below to see how you can get a great discount on these particular mirror covers. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you again soon. Peace.